If you have lost access to your Wise account and need to regain ownership, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Visit the Wise login page. Before starting recovery, use the xrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Wise account. Make sure it is the correct one to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Wise. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 5. Log in with new password. Once you have reset your password, return to the login page and enter your email and new password. You should now have access to your Wise account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for further assistance.